There is a proverb, healthy body has a healthy mind. Hari Om. Om Chinmaya Sadguruve Namaha. In order to enhance sports activities throughout the world, there are various sports events organized in the world throughout the year. In the same way, the World Athletics Day is organized by the International Amateur Athletic Federation. World Athletics Day was celebrated for the first time in the year 1996. This year, it is celebrated on 7th May. The IAAF was founded on 17th July 1912 in Stockholm, Sweden. It is the world governing body for the sport of field athletics and track. Let us understand more about what comes under field athletics. Field events comes under two types, jumping and throwing competitions. The common jumping events are long jump, high jump, triple jump, pole vault, etc. And the common throwing events include shot put, discus throw, javelin and hammer, etc. Track events include sprint, middle distance, hurdle, steeplechase, road running, race walking, etc. The basic objective of World Athletics Day are to popularize sports among the youth, promote athletics as the primary sport in schools and institutions, to increase public awareness about sports and to educate youngsters about the importance of sports, and to firmly establish an important link between the youth, our sport and environmental conservation. India too has witnessed the glory of many famous athletes of our times, P.T. Usha, Milkha Singh, Anju Bobby George, and to present times also Duti Chand, Hima Das, Neeraj Chopra and many more. Hope our children would understand the importance of athleticism and develop a healthy sportsmanship spirit, which would give them an opportunity to rise and shine in every occasion and to learn valuable life skills. Lastly, a quote by a famous athlete, Usain Bolt. The difference between impossible and the possible lies in one's determination. Thank you and Hari Om.
Hari Om and good morning. Myself Gunali Das of 12th Commerce from Chinna Vidyalaya English Medium. I am honored to be here and extend a warm welcome to my principal ma'am, teachers, parents and my dear friends. So as we are here for the auspicious day which is World Athletic Day, and unfortunately we are not gathered together to celebrate this event. So we, some of the students of our school, are going to represent a video for this event. So before we start this video, make sure to take all the precautions, use sanitizer, wear mask and be positive always. Thank you and let's get started.
Hello, my name is Pratik Misra. I am reading in Chinmay Vidyalaya Standard 4. Happy Athletics Day, everyone. Before starting, we will sanitize our hands and fight against the coronavirus.
Hariom, wishing you all a happy World Athletics Day. The World Athletics Day was organized by the International Amateur Athletic Federation IAAF, which is currently known as World Athletics. It is the international governing body for the sports of athletics. The World Athletics Day was celebrated on 1996 for the first time by the then president of IAAF, Primo Nebbiolo. IAAF has its headquarters in Stockholm from 1912 to 1946, in London from 1946 to 1993, and thereafter moved to its current location in Monaco. More than 100 sport federations of the world took part in World Athletics Day. All the events and expenses that occurred during this day were sponsored by IAAF. Most common types of athletic competitions are track and field, road running, race walking, and cross-country running. The World Athletics Day was initiated with a motive to popularize sport among the youth, to promote athletics as the primary sports in school and institutions, to firmly construct a link between youth, our sports, and environmental conservation, and to make people aware of various issues concerning health, and to promote physical fitness, as a healthy body has a healthy mind. Let's look at some of the top Indian athletes who left mark on world stage. PT Usha, the toast of Indian athletics and an inspiration often called the Queen of Track and Field. The Flying Sikh, Milkha Singh. Neeraj Chopra, India's first ever world champion on javelin radar. PV Sindhu, professional badminton player. Mary Kom, an Indian amateur boxer. Deepa Karmakar, an Indian artistic gymnast, and many more. Let's be thankful to all of these great performers to take India to such a great height in the field of sports. Have an outstanding and energetic World Athletes Day. Thank you.